Okay. So, converting terminating decimals to fraction form. I have explained this type of sum in your previous in my previous videos also. Because they have given the heading like this, let me explain to you again. Okay. So, 4.675. How will you convert it into fraction form? So, if in the denominator side, if nothing is there means you have to consider it as 1. Therefore, 4.675 by 1. Before the first step in this is you have to remove the decimal. What you have to do is bring this decimal to this place. If you bring this decimal to this place, you have to put one 0 here. Similarly, I am moving this decimal to this place. I am again putting one 0 here. I am again moving this decimal to this place. Again, I am putting one 0 here. So, finally, you will get 4, 6, 7, 5 by 1000. Okay. So, this can be divided by 5, isn't it? So, 5 2s are 10. Bring these zeros as it is. Here, 5 9s are 45. What is the remaining? 46, that is add here. So 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. Add this 2 here. So 5 5s are 25, which is equals to 935 by 200. You can further divide by 5 because you have 5 here in the numerator and you have 0. So it can be further divided by 5. Therefore, 5 1s are 5. So 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 4. 5 8s are 40, isn't it? So 43 here. 5 8s are 40 means 41, 42, 43. 3 remaining. 5 7s are 35. 5 4s are 20. 0. So the answer is 187 by 40. So I have converted the terminating decimal to fraction. For further you cannot divide because 7 is here and 0 is here. So it cannot be divided. Once again you will get a decimal. So you have to stop here. This is the answer. Let us go to this example. Convert 1.57777 and so on to fraction form. How will you convert this? Okay. You have to consider this as x. Let x is equal to 1.57777 and so on. Consider this as the equation 1. The next what you have to do is multiply equation 1 by 10. Okay. 10 into x is equal to 1.57777 into 10. 10 to the power of 1. Okay, you might ask me the one question. Why you should multiply it by 10? There is a rule, that is, if one digit is repeated so many times means you should multiply it by 10. If the digits like this, look here, 7, 7, 7, 7, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. If like this, so 3 digits are repeated so many times means you should take 10 to the power of 3. You should multiply 10 3 times because 3 digits are repeated so many times. That's why. Here only one digit is repeated. So you have to multiply by only 10. 10 to the power of 1 is nothing but 10. Therefore, 10 into x is equal to 10x, which is equals to 1.5777 multiplied by 10 is equal to 15.7777. You consider this as the equation 2. Now, subtract equation 2 by 1. Can you see the subtraction here for your reference? I have written here 7 minus 7 is 0, 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 7 minus 5 is 2, and 5 minus 1 is 4. 1 is, you have to take 1 as it is. 14.2, ignore this 4 zeros, it's not needed here. So, subtract means 10x minus 1x, because nothing is there means I told you should consider it as 1. 10x minus 1x is equal to 15.7777 minus 1.7777. I showed you the subtraction here for your reference. 10x minus 1x is 9x, which is equals to 14.2. Therefore, x is equal to 14.2 divided by 9. Remove this point outside. You will get 1 0 in the denominator, isn't it? I have explained to you in my previous videos also. 142 by 90. So it is divisible by 2. 2 7s are 40, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 carrying here, 2 5s are 10, which is equals to 71 by 45. Therefore, x is equal to 71 by 45 is the answer. The first question in this, convert the rational numbers to decimal form. They have given the question as 1 by 10. So, 10 divided by 1. How will you do this? 10 zeros are 0. Minus 1 minus 0 is 1. Put 1 point here and add 1 0 here. Understood? You have to put the point and take the 1 0 here. 10 ones are 10. Remainder is 0. What is the answer here? 0.1. Therefore, 1 by 10 is equal to 0.1. Similarly, in the second sub question, minus 3 divided by 6. Therefore, this is how we are going to do. 6 zeros are 0. Therefore, minus 3 minus 0 is 3. Put 1 point here and add 1 0 here. 30. 6 5s are 30. 0 remainder is 0. The answer is minus 0.5. That minus 3.6, isn't it? Therefore, it is minus 0.5. 70 by 3 divided. 3 divided by 70. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring this 0 downwards here. It becomes 10. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Put 1 point here and add 0 here. 3 3s are 9. It goes on like that. Therefore, 3 3 I have put 1 bar here because it is repeated so many times. The answer is 23.33 and so on. I have written it as bar here. Similarly here, 5 divided by 6. It is like this. 6 zeros are 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. And put 1 point here and bring 1 0 here. 6 8s are 48. Carry 10. Borrow 10 here. 10 minus 8 is 2. You will get 0 here. 4 minus 4 is 0. 10 minus 8 is 2. And you can take 0. So after putting point, you can take however you want. You can add so many zeros, okay? 20. 6 3s are 18. Again, 10 minus 8 is 2. This becomes 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 20. 6 3s are 18. 2 goes on like that. Therefore, the answer is 0.833 bar because 3 is repeated so many times. The third question goes like this. If 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar means the numbers are repeated again and again. Find the value of 5 by 7. Then I asked you like this. So divide it. 7 divided by 5. 7 zeros are 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Put one point and bring one 0 here. 7 sevens are 49. Borrow 1 from 5, you will get 10 here. 10 minus 9 is 1 and this becomes 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Remove it. Therefore 10, 7 ones are 7. So 10 minus 7 is 3. Again put 0 because you have put point here, you can add, so you can add zeros. 7 fours are 28. Again borrow 1 from here. This becomes 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 10 minus 8 is 2. Again put 0. 7 twos are 14. Again borrow 1 from there. This becomes 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 10 minus 4 is 6. Again put 0. 7 eights are 56. Borrow 1. This becomes 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 10 minus 6 is 4. Again put 0. 7 fives are 35. 10 minus 5 is 5 and this becomes 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. It goes on like that. Once again the numbers are repeated. See, 50, 50. The numbers will be repeated again. 7, 1, 4, 2, 8, 5 like that. So I have put one bar.